What's up, Beard Channel? How's it going? Good beard morning to you. A couple things to go over today, and a surprise. So you're going to want to stick around for the surprise. But first, you got to like, share, and subscribe. Especially subscribe to the page, because once we get 50 subscribers, you know we're going to get that free beard kit going. Yeah, you're entered to win a free beard kit. Easy as that. 50 or more subscribers and we'll get this going. Now, I did say today we have a surprise and a couple things we have to address and go over. So stick around. We'll be back. Where you going, buddy? Come here. Come here, bud. Say hello. Hello. What's up, Beard Channel? How's it going? Got the old hairs cut. Looking pretty good. What do you think? Leave a comment. Beginning of the video, boom. Hair was all over the place. Now, it's cut. Today, after you subscribe to the page, like and share, I'm going to go over a beard oil for you. Tell you where I got that. And if it's any good, stick around. Alright. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing to the page. Really helps out. Remember, once I get the 50 subscribers, the contest will start for the free beard kit. Free. Awesome. Cool. Who doesn't like free? Alright, so on to today's topic, the beard oil of today. Now, I reviewed one for you earlier. Captain Thug. This was made in 2020. Got it on Amazon. Didn't soften my beard at all. Didn't like it. Didn't recommend it. It was cheap. Sometimes cheap is good. Sometimes cheap is not good. In this case, cheap. Moving along. Not good. We got another one that was cheap. Right there. Crosscut. Right on. Crosscut. Sandalwood, vetiver, and oud wood. Now you probably, I don't know if you've seen this before, leave it in the comments, let me know if you've seen this. First time I saw this, when I saw this. Where did I see this at? Take a guess. Any guesses? Marshalls. Absolutely. You know that aisle that they have with, I call them almost expired products, older products, whatever. This is where I found this one. Okay. Got a beard balm that I found from there as well that I'll go over later. Again, this is Crosscut. Says here it's got some soybean oil. Rye, I can't even say it. Castor oil, seed oil, blah, 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 argon. It's got a little peppermint, got a little cedar wood, chamomile, vitamin E, which is good because some of them don't have vitamin E. I'm suspecting this was more expensive wherever it originated from this year. But yeah, I only paid like $4 for this. So, you know, when you go to those Marshalls, TJ Maxx, places like that, check out that one goofy aisle near the checkouts that has like the pomades and everything like that. I've got some good pomade from there as well. But yeah, this was pretty cool. I opened it up and smelled it. Didn't look like anybody used it. In fact, I use this today. My beard is really soft. So if you're at Marshalls or TJ Maxx, one of those places, and come across this Crosscut beard oil, I recommend it. I recommend using this one. It was really good. That being said, I don't know if this is on Amazon. I haven't checked. But if it's on Amazon, great. Pick it up. Go ahead. You know, 2 fluid ounces, right? 2 fluid ounces. Big bottle. Big ass bottle. Usually you only get one. You know? Recommend the Crosscut. This is something that smells good, works good, and you can still smell it like an hour later. I put it on like an hour ago. I still smell it. You know, like the other ones I was showing you where he smells all day. It smells great. This one, yeah, I smell it. Now, that being said, if you're online and you see it and it, you know, it costs more, which I'm betting it does. get your ass in your car, go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx. They probably have it there. Or something similar. If you guys have used something similar from Marshall's or TJ Maxx like this, let me know in the comments as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the page because free beard kit. 50 subscribers gets the free beard kit. Contest will go for 2 weeks. Pick a random winner. Simple. Win the beard kit. Who doesn't want a free beard kit, right? As I've been saying over and over and over again, hit that subscribe to win the free beard kit. Also, I'll give you a little update here. Been using that Derma roller and that magical, or whatever the hell you want to call it, beard growth crap. This stuff right here. Alright. I think it's, I don't know. Hard to say. My beard's growing in a little thicker, I think. And I did got a little bit more hair here. Other than that, I don't know if it's from that or that stuff or the derma rolling or a combination. So once this bottle of stuff's out, we'll leave it go for a week. Keep the derma rolling going, and then I'm gonna get another beard product, supposed beard growth product. We're gonna try that out. Okay. I know there's some other brands out there, but there's one in particular that I want to try out. Basically, same sort of stuff. Rub it in your beard. It's got collagen, biotin, things like that. So we're gonna try that out and see how that works. But again, get yourself to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, or wherever one of them stores are. Get this stuff. It's good. Talk to you soon. Don't shave that beard.